Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun St. Patrick's Day video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Shamrock Kaiju. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our St. Patrick's Day Kaiju, let's begin right here at the eyes. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and I'm going to bring this back here. Next, let's make a little line that's going to curve up and down. We'll make a little line here and a line here, and maybe one here by the eye. Then we'll draw a line that's going to come up and down for the eyebrow. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to bring this back, and then we're just going to go down and then back to here. Up here, I'm going to bring this line up and down, and then another one right up and down to here. Then I'm going to draw one that's going to come up and down here, and then we're going to bring this right around into here. Over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come around like this, with a little circle in there. And then we're going to go up and down for the eyebrow. And I'll make a little line or two right around it. Next, starting here for the mouth, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to bring this up here. We're going to put some sharp teeth at the bottom and a few sharp teeth at the top. We'll draw a line up and down and a line down here. Now let's make a little curve here for some detail on the mouth. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to bring this up. We're going to curve this around to a point. Now we're going to make a line that's going to come down and back. I'll make another one that's just going to come down and back. Let's bring this down with a couple points and then over here. Kind of bring this line in just a tiny bit. Over here, I'm going to bring this line down here. And we're going to bring this line around to here. We're going to make a little line here. Then we're going to make this line come down and here, and then down here, and back up. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw this line down and up, and then this line down, and we're going to bring this back here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out like this. Then we're going to put one and then two claws on here, and we're going to bring this back. Let's bring this up and over here. Right here, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to angle it. Curve here, we're going to go out, and then a curve here. Little line, and then we're going to bring this up. Right here for the tail, let's draw a line that's just going to come out here. Then we're going to bring this back all the way to here. Next, let's make a couple little lines. They're just going to kind of come down and around here to kind of shape out those petals. And then let's make some little kind of broken lines kind of right around here just to kind of help shape them out. We're going to make a row of spikes going right down the tail. And then we're going to add some claws onto the toes, and with a couple little lines around them. And then some claws right around the fingers as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of your little Shamrock Kaiju. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.